In this video, I'm opening up about my second biggest mistake in my cleaning business, keeping my struggles a secret. I thought I could fix my financial mess alone while hiding my challenges from everyone. Carrying imposter syndrome, I made one bad decision after another, running my business on tribal knowledge without guidance. I want to share this because no business owner should suffer in silence. Let's talk about why asking for help sooner could save your business. Hey, it's Karen Denton, KSC Bidding Consultant. I help cleaning business owners win profitable contracts and avoid the mistakes I've made along the way. My second biggest mistake in my cleaning business was keeping it all a secret. I was in a financial mess, but instead of telling anyone or asking for help, I thought, I'll fix this on my own. I carried imposter syndrome, afraid people would see me as a failure. So to save face, I kept making decisions alone. And honestly, those decisions kept digging me deeper into the hole. I was running on what I like to call tribal knowledge, just doing things the way I thought they should be done, without any guidance or proven systems. Here's the truth. Suffering in silence doesn't make you stronger. It isolates you. The turning point for me was realizing that successful business owners ask for help early, and they find mentors who've already walked the path. If you're in a financial mess, stop hiding. Find someone who can guide you. Learn the right systems, and avoid letting your pride cost you your business. If you've been there, drop a comment below and share your story. You might just help someone else speak up before it's too late.